Hey everyone, and welcome to the Drawing for Kids channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute kawaii ice cream cone. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over to the left side and draw in a circle starting from the top. Just going to work our way around and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the circle. Now I'm going to add some highlights to the eye. So we're going to step up towards the top and draw in a small circle. Now we're going to move down towards the bottom and draw an even smaller circle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with a larger circle at the top left, and then a smaller circle on the bottom right. Let's fill the outside areas of the circle in black. Now let's move in between the eyes and draw in the mouth. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve coming down and then back up. Now let's move to the side and draw in the ice cream. So we're going to step over towards the left. We're going to draw a curve going out around the eye. Now I'm just going to pull this in just underneath the left eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting on the side, curve around, and then pull that in underneath the right eye. Now we're going to work our way up towards the top of the ice cream. From this point, I'm going to step in, curve over that line, round out the side, and then pull that in. Do the same thing on the right, curving over the line, rounding it out, and then pulling that in. Now we're going to draw the top swirl of the ice cream. From the top, we're going to step in again, curve over that line. Now we're just going to pull this up and in toward the center. Let's work our way around the right. So from here, I'm going to curve around. I'm going to pull this out towards the side. I'm going to curve around and then just over that line. Round this out and then just over the right side. Now I'm going to draw a little bit of the ice cream spilling over the edge of the cone. So we step over to the left. We're going to curve around and then up. We'll do the same thing on the right. Curving around and then up. Now let's connect these 2 points with another curve coming down the middle and then back up. Now let's draw on the side of the cone. Starting at the bottom of this curve, I'm going to draw an angled line coming down and then in. Go to the right side and come down in the opposite direction. Now let's connect these 2 points with another curve coming down the middle and then back up. Let's add some texture to the cone. We're going to start with some angled lines coming down. Starting underneath the ice cream, we're going to come down at an angle. I'm going to step over, draw that same angled line. I'll draw one more from the outside, coming down. Now we want to go in the opposite direction. We're going to start from this point, angle down. We're going to step up, angle over towards the right, and we'll do that one more time. Now the last thing I want to do is just add a few sprinkles along the top of the ice cream. We're going to start up here. We're going to draw a little oval going around. We can change the direction of these ovals. We'll draw a few more along the top here, going in the opposite direction. Maybe aim this one down. Come down here. Let's add a couple on the inside. Along the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cute kawaii ice cream cone. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.